Welcome to my channel. Today, me and Dwight is going to work on the side of the house. He's putting up the last fence panel, and I'll be cleaning the rocks from out of this area over here, and I'm going to be planting flowers here as well. So right now, he's taking a break, checking things out, seeing how things look. He have already dug the hole for this area over here, so he's getting ready to set the post. So right now, what I'm going to do is clear this area out. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm getting ready to get started. So what I'm going to do here in this area over here, I'm going to, clean it up, get some of the debris from out of this area over here, and yeah, clean that area out right up in here, all the way back into here. So I'm going to remove the rocks from out of the flower bed, and I'm going to use these flowers right here to put back in the flower bed. So this is what I'm looking to do today, is to clear the rocks from out of this area here. And I'm also going to use this flower bed here. I'm going to plant flowers as well in this flower bed here. So I'm going to clean that out too as well. So yes, and this is flowers that I am going to use for the flower bed. So everything is going to pretty much look like this area right over here. So I'm going to take it from this end all the way down to the other end. So yes, this is what our patio look like. It's a mess. We got fall stuff. We got Christmas stuff on here. But it's going to get ready to get cleared out. But this is what it looks like. So right down here, everything is lined up pretty good. So I'm not going to do anything down here. I pretty much got lilies, and I got wigeria plants, and I got some black-eyed Susan plants here as well. So I'm not going to touch this area over here, because this area over here is fine. What, I'm going to need about 3 more? Um, Hanging basket hooks. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the last one. Okay. This is what we done so far. Um, we're still at it. This is a project that was did separate, and something we just added on. We're pretty much finna get ready to wrap it up, but this is where we're at with that. So it's a lot of mess, but at the end of the day, once everything get cleared up and cleaned and grow, it's gonna be gorgeous. We're gonna put flowers up in here as well. So Dwight is fixing that right now. So okay, now I'm doing my flower pots. I already got these planted, but I wanted them to look real full, so I'm gonna add maybe a marigold right here, and pretty much just stick that in, push that down up in there, and that's pretty much it. These are the 2 pots. I got them right here, but that doesn't mean that they're going to